Hi, this is Frank and Teske with MarineMax out of Brick, New Jersey. I'm here aboard our 2019 245 Sailfish Dual Console. Climbing into the cockpit, you can see you have a nice spacious cockpit with the option to fold seats out or to keep them tucked away when fishing or crabbing. Along the transom, you have a nice live well, 4 rod holders, telescoping tow bar, washdown for when you come aboard, and obviously a beautiful 300 Yamaha digital throttle motor. Moving up to the helm, you have a nice laid out helm with captain chair, rocker switching for all your accessories, Garmin GPS, nice Fusion stereo for rocking out or listening to some smooth jazz, a command link for your outboard. On your port side, you have a nice spacious head, upgraded interior. And for the rest of the boat, my counterpart Dan Fernbeck will walk you through the bow and all storage.
Hi, my name is Daniel Fernbeck. Aboard the 245 Sailfish Dual Console, in the bow, you're going to see you have a very, very large windshield, protect you from the rain, wind, and all elements that you're going to have to hide from. Also, you have a 3-piece enclosure isinglass that goes around with the hardtop. Plenty of lights and stereo up there as well. Very, very large storage area. The bow's really nice. One of the things you're going to actually like about this is that it goes all the way up your back for safety and reliability when you're out here. So if you have kids up at the bow, you don't have to worry about them with lower gunnels. Some of the deepest in the industry with Sailfish. So you got the cup holders, you got your 12 volt, and you also have the speakers on both sides, storage underneath. If you have any other questions, contact myself, Dan Fernbeck, or Frank Teske here at Brick, New Jersey, MarineMax.
Thank you guys.